Dun dun dun! It's time for What's in the Box for Death Dealer and Tiny Giant.
Hi everybody, I'm Death Dealer.
And I'm Tiny Giant. And we're gonna unbox some boxes.
Alright, first up.
It looks like a prize, so that's good.
You want to pull out what's in the box? Show them what's in the box.
Dun 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 dun!
Oh, perfect.
Super Mario Wonder!
Yay!
Now we got a new game to the Nintendo. So
I would
now-
want to play this too, so I'm
Same.
super excited. So yay!
Ever since I saw the ad of Mario turning into that elephant, I died. I had to definitely like, please.
Alright, bye everybody.
Bye.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
Please do.